Hey, I'm Steve, and I want to share with you my journey with stationary engine mechanics program offered at CFP des Moulins, located in Mascouche, part of the Sir Wilfrid Laurier School Board. As we step into an era driven by technological advancements, stationary engine mechanics will play a vital role in various industries. From manufacturing to renewable energy, the demand for skilled mechanics who can maintain and optimize these systems is only going to grow. Mechanics will be essential in maintaining engines that power green technologies, like biofuels and hybrid systems. This shift not only offers exciting job prospects, but also allows us to contribute to a more sustainable future. The program is 1,800 hours in a work-study format, offered in bilingual or English instruction. Becoming a stationary engine mechanic means more than just understanding engines. It's about being at the forefront of innovation and sustainability. I'm excited about the journey ahead, and I hope you are too.